Up a long day at the clinic today. We had CRA Academy interns in there, and then at the end we had and we were doing Alzheimer's patient recruitment videos for social media. The vlog will go up tomorrow, hopefully by the end of the day on Friday. And then at the end of the day, we had like a cryptocurrency webinar, which has nothing to do with clinical research, but I have a digital marketing company. So we set up a webinar. It was actually a Facebook Live for some crypto people, so I got to learn a lot because I'm actually getting into that space quite a bit, and I do think it has a lot of applications for clinical research, but we'll talk more about that in 2018. Right now, what I wanted to talk to you about was what I was telling my CRA Academy interns today, because they asked the question about safety aspects in clinical research. So what does a site do when a patient gets a SAE? And then what does a sponsor and CRO or IRB do when they get that report? So whenever a patient at a site gets a SAE, serious adverse event, what happens is, and first of all, that's anything that makes the patient go in the hospital or obviously worse. So anything that they get hospitalized for or is a serious risk to their immediate health, that's a SAE. So as soon as the site finds out about that, they send what's called an initial SAE report to the sponsor and the IRB, just letting them know exactly what happened and what they know, all the information, all the pertinent information from that initial SAE. Once the SAE is over, meaning the patient's been discharged from the hospital, they'll send a follow-up or a final SAE report. Now, the reason the sites do that, and the reason why they have to do it within like 24 hours as soon as they know of an SAE, both the initial report and the follow-up report, is so that the sponsor and the IRB can create a SUSAR, right? Serious unexpected, serious adverse reaction, something like that. Just Google the acronym, what's a SUSAR? But basically it's a report that the sponsor and the CRO will send out to all the sites that are doing the clinical trial with that particular investigational product. So they'll let them know, hey, at this site in Irvine, an SAE was reported, and we want to let all of our sites know, not only in this study, but any study we have that are using this investigational product, that an SAE occurred, so just be on the lookout for this. So serious, unexpected safety adverse reaction, something like that, SUSAR. So that is what in a nutshell, and I want to keep this like under 3 minutes, that is in a nutshell what happens during an SAE from the site side and from the sponsor CRO side. So take care, Guru Nation. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.